Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm going to show you how to make Jaggery Puttu. One of Kerala's easy, simple, delicious delicacy. Jaggery Puttu is made using special rice available in Kerala and jaggery. But I am using Manna's red rice powder, red rice puttu powder, which is readily available, along with it organic jaggery powder which is available in our store. So let's dive right in and see how to make it. I'm taking Manna's red rice puttu powder here. It can also be made at home by rinsing it for a while, drying it but not completely. Powder it when the moisture is still there and you will get a puttu powder ready made at home. Add little salt. We'll mix it. Now we'll add hot water as much as you can bear, little by little, and keep mixing it. We do not have to make a paste out of it, just crumb-like texture it will form. Until then you will have to keep adding water and mix it like this. When you mold it in your hand, it will come together like this, and this is when you can say it is ready and no more water is needed. I'm using this puttu maker. The link would be in the description box. Please have a check. These are the pieces given along with it. So in this stand, I will add this piece and settle it down. Then add the puttu powder here. Little by little, you don't have to press it until it is almost filled, and then close it with the lid given. The another vessel which is given along is this big bowl in which we'll pour in water and create a steamer. Boil it well, and then we will put this mold in which we have put the puttu powder. You can see the hole above in which the steam would be released. 10 to 14 minutes it may take to release the steam and cook well. After that you can keep it aside. Our puttu is ready. Now we will make a Jaggery Puttu version. So what other ingredients are required, we will put it along. I'm taking jaggery powder and adding water. Just a little water to melt it. It needs some time. Now it's done. It's time to strain and remove the impurities. I'll take this aside in a strainer bowl. We'll strain this mixture. Now take the same and add it in another bowl, and we will boil the mixture now. We are creating a jaggery syrup here. Once done, keep that aside as well. In a pan, I am adding ghee, some broken cashew. We will fry it until it turns brown. Once done, let's take it into a bowl and keep it aside. I love the Jaggery Puttu because of cashew nut and coconut, so please don't miss it. It gives a superb taste when you add these both ingredients. Even without that you can make it. Now this is freshly grated coconut. If you do not have the availability, you can use dry coconut or skip this. Until it browns, you will have to fry it. Once done, we will take this as well to another bowl and keep aside. The puttu which we had kept ready, now I am putting it into a bowl. This is well cooked, just like an idli. Yes, if you do not have the steamer, you can create molds as I showed you in your hand and put it into idli steamer and steam it for 10 minutes and make the same just as I am showing it here. I'm adding fried coconut here, fried cashews, a little cardamom powder, and jaggery syrup. Please ensure you add it after tasting, because every jaggery is different, so do not add it completely at one go. Add it little by little and see if it tastes well or if you need more, and then adjust it. So our jaggery puttu is completely ready. Serve it in your kids' favorite plate. This is how it would look like. This jaggery puttu is not just delicious, healthy, but also easy to make at home. So I am hoping you will add this onto your kids' snack option and let me know how your kid liked it in the comment section. We'll see you soon in yet another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I keep posting a lot of healthy baby and kid food recipes on this channel. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.